YouTube Shorts for Business Growth: How to utilize the latest feature to boost your online presence. YouTube Shorts is a relatively new feature on the popular video sharing platform that allows users to create and share short-form videos. With the rise of TikTok and other similar platforms, YouTube Shorts has quickly gained popularity among content creators and viewers alike. However, it's not just for entertainment purposes. Businesses can also leverage this feature for growth. YouTube Shorts offers a unique opportunity for businesses to reach a wider audience and increase their brand visibility. With the ability to create short, engaging videos, businesses can capture the attention of viewers who may not have the time or attention span for longer videos. Additionally, YouTube Shorts allows for easy sharing on other social media platforms, further expanding a business's reach. By utilizing YouTube Shorts, businesses can showcase their products or services in a creative and visually appealing way. Whether it's through product demos, behind-the-scenes footage, or customer testimonials, businesses can use this feature to connect with their audience on a more personal level, with the potential for increased engagement and brand awareness. YouTube Shorts is a tool that businesses should consider incorporating into their marketing strategy. Understanding YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is a new feature that allows users to create and share short-form videos on the platform. These videos are designed to be quick and easy to create, and are perfect for businesses looking to grow their online presence. One of the key benefits of YouTube Shorts is that they are highly shareable. Users can easily share shorts with their friends and followers on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. This makes it easy for businesses to reach new audiences and increase their brand awareness. Another benefit of YouTube Shorts is that they are highly engaging. Because they are short and to the point, viewers are more likely to watch them all the way through. This can help businesses to keep their audience engaged and interested in their content. To get started with YouTube Shorts, businesses will need to create a YouTube account and download the YouTube app. From there, they can start creating shorts by using the app's built-in video editing tools. Overall, YouTube Shorts is a powerful tool for businesses looking to grow their online presence. By creating short, engaging videos, businesses can reach new audiences and keep their existing followers engaged and interested in their content. Why use YouTube Shorts for business growth? YouTube Shorts is a relatively new feature on YouTube that allows creators to create and share short-form videos of up to 60 seconds in length. Since its launch, it has gained immense popularity among the masses, especially the younger generation. But why should businesses care about YouTube Shorts? Here are a few reasons. Increased engagement. Short-form videos are more likely to grab the attention of viewers and keep them engaged. With YouTube Shorts, businesses can create short, snappy videos that are easy to consume and share. As a result, businesses can increase their engagement rates and reach a wider audience. Boosting brand visibility. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is one of the largest social media platforms in the world. By leveraging YouTube Shorts, businesses can increase their brand visibility and reach a wider audience. Since shorts are displayed in a separate section on the YouTube app, it's easier for users to discover new content and brands. Cost-effective marketing. YouTube Shorts is a cost-effective way for businesses to promote their products and services. Unlike traditional advertising methods, businesses can create and share shorts without spending a lot of money. Additionally, since shorts are short-form videos, businesses can create content quickly and easily without investing a lot of time or resources. In conclusion, YouTube Shorts is a great tool for businesses looking to increase their engagement rates, boost their brand visibility, and promote their products and services in a cost-effective way. By creating short, snappy videos, businesses can reach a wider audience and connect with their customers in a more meaningful way. Creating effective YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is a powerful tool for businesses to reach a wider audience and increase brand awareness. To make the most out of this platform, businesses need to create effective YouTube Shorts that engage their viewers and drive business growth. Here are some tips to create effective YouTube Shorts. Focus on quality. Quality is key when it comes to creating effective YouTube Shorts. Businesses need to focus on creating high-quality content that is visually appealing, engaging, and informative. This means investing in good lighting, sound, and equipment to ensure that the video is of high quality. Storytelling approach. Businesses should use a storytelling approach when creating YouTube Shorts. This means telling a story that is relevant to their brand and their target audience. The story should be engaging, informative, and entertaining, and should be able to capture the attention of the viewer in the first few seconds. Consistent posting. Consistency is key when it comes to posting YouTube Shorts. Businesses should aim to post new content regularly to keep their viewers engaged and interested. They should also ensure that the content is relevant to their brand and their target audience. In conclusion, creating effective YouTube Shorts requires businesses to focus on quality, use a storytelling approach, and post content consistently. By following these tips, businesses can increase their brand awareness, reach a wider audience, and drive business growth. Optimizing YouTube Shorts for business. YouTube Shorts is a powerful tool for businesses to reach a wider audience and promote their brand. By creating short, engaging videos, businesses can showcase their products or services in a creative way. However, it is important to optimize your YouTube Shorts to ensure they are effective in driving business growth. Keyword usage. Keywords are essential for optimizing your YouTube Shorts for search engines. By using relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags, you can increase the chances of your video appearing in search results. It is important to research and choose the right keywords for your business to ensure they are relevant and have a high search volume. Engaging thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see when browsing through YouTube Shorts. Creating engaging thumbnails that accurately represent your video can increase the chances of viewers clicking on your video. It is important to use high-quality images and bold text to make your thumbnail stand out among the competition. Call to actions. Adding a call to action, CTA, in your YouTube Shorts can encourage viewers to take action and engage with your business. Whether it is to visit your website, subscribe to your channel, or purchase your product. A clear and concise CTA can increase the chances of converting viewers into customers. It is important to place your CTA at the end of your video and make it easy for viewers to take action. Overall, optimizing your YouTube Shorts for business growth requires careful consideration of keywords, engaging thumbnails, and clear CTAs. By following these best practices, businesses can create effective YouTube Shorts that drive growth and increase brand awareness. Measuring success with YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts has become a popular way for businesses to reach a wider audience and increase their brand awareness. But how can you measure the success of your YouTube Shorts strategy? In this section, we'll explore the key metrics you should be tracking to measure the success of your YouTube Shorts. Views and subscribers. The number of views and subscribers are the most basic metrics to track your YouTube Short success. The more views and subscribers you have, the more people are watching your videos and following your channel. You can use YouTube Analytics to track the number of views and subscribers your shorts are getting. Engagement metrics. Engagement metrics are the key to understanding how your audience is interacting with your shorts. These metrics include likes, comments, shares, and watch time. The more engagement your shorts get, the more likely they are to be shared and seen by a wider audience. Likes and comments are a good indicator of how engaged your audience is with your shorts. The more likes and comments you have, the more engaged your audience is with your content. Shares are also important as they indicate that your shorts are being shared with a wider audience. Watch time is another important metric to track. The longer your audience watches your shorts, the more likely they are to engage with your brand. Longer watch times also indicate that your shorts are providing value to your audience. Conversion rates. Conversion rates are the ultimate metric to track the success of your YouTube shorts. Conversion rates measure the number of viewers who take a specific action after watching your shorts. This could include subscribing to your channel, visiting your website, or making a purchase. To track your conversion rates, you can use YouTube Analytics to set up conversion tracking. This will allow you to track the number of viewers who take a specific action after watching your shorts. By tracking your conversion rates, you can determine which shorts are driving the most conversions and adjust your strategy accordingly. Overall, measuring the success of your YouTube short strategy requires tracking a variety of metrics. By tracking views and subscribers, engagement metrics, and conversion rates, you can determine the effectiveness of your shorts and make data-driven decisions to improve your strategy. Case studies of successful YouTube shorts in business. YouTube shorts have become a popular way for businesses to reach new audiences and increase engagement. Here are a few case studies of successful YouTube shorts in business. 1. The Home Depot. The Home Depot used YouTube shorts to showcase their products and provide DIY tutorials. Their shorts were short, snappy, and visually appealing, making them perfect for social media. They also included a call to action at the end of each video, encouraging viewers to visit their website or visit a store. The Home Depot's shorts received millions of views, and their engagement rates increased significantly. 2. Gymshark. Gymshark, a fitness apparel brand, used YouTube shorts to showcase their products and provide workout inspiration. They created short, high-energy videos that showcased their products in action. They also used trending hashtags to increase their reach and engagement. Gymshark's shorts received millions of views, and they saw an increase in sales and website traffic. 3. Starbucks. Starbucks used YouTube shorts to showcase their new products and promote their rewards program. They created short, visually appealing videos that showcased their products in action. They also included a call to action at the end of each video, encouraging viewers to visit their website or download their app. Starbucks shorts received millions of views, and they saw an increase in app downloads and sales. Overall, these businesses were able to successfully use YouTube shorts to reach new audiences and increase engagement. By creating short, visually appealing videos and including a call to action, they were able to drive traffic to their websites and increase sales. Conclusion. In conclusion, YouTube Shorts is a valuable tool for businesses looking to grow their online presence and reach a wider audience. By creating short, engaging videos, businesses can increase their brand awareness and drive traffic to their website or social media pages. One of the key benefits of YouTube Shorts is its ability to reach a younger demographic. With over 60% of YouTube's user base being under the age of 35. Businesses can use Shorts to connect with a younger audience and build brand loyalty. Another advantage of YouTube Shorts is its ease of use. With no need for expensive equipment or editing software, businesses can create professional-looking videos quickly and easily using only their smartphone. Finally, YouTube Shorts offers businesses a unique opportunity to showcase their creativity and personality. By experimenting with different styles and formats, businesses can create content that stands out from the crowd and resonates with their target audience. Overall, businesses that embrace YouTube Shorts as part of their social media strategy are likely to see increased engagement, brand awareness, and ultimately, growth. Unlock your potential with our comprehensive course designed to empower you for exploring the world of YouTube Shorts for businesses by clicking the link given in description.